30 beautiful places we visit while on one of our tours. Number 1, the Cliff Bridge, jetting out over the ocean.
Into the night, coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape.
Number 2, Canberra, our nation's national capital, and Lake Burley Griffin.
Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape.
Number 3, Jindabyne and its Snowy Mountains backdrop with its beautiful dam.
Great unknown, escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape.
Number 4, Mount Selwyn with its 3-mile dam and beautiful snowy mountains. Number 5, Khancoban with its Snowy Mountains backdrop and beautiful blue water dam. Number 6, Lake Hume, part of the mighty Murray River.
I'll hold you close.
Number 7, Echuca and its mighty Murray River and paddle steam boats.
These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye.
Number 8, Apollo Bay and its beautiful beaches and its waterfall right on the edge of the Great Ocean Road.
Calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know.
Number 9, the 12 Apostles, again part of the Great Ocean Road.
Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape.
Number 10, London Bridge, again part of the Great Ocean Road. Number 11, the Bay of Islands, also part of the Great Ocean Road. Number 12, the Cove, with its walkway down to the beach from the top of the cliff's edge. Number 13, Warrnambool, beautiful coastal town.
The silence fades into
Number 14, Port Fairy, this unique coastal town.
these open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a
Number 15, and the mouth of the Fitzroy River right on the coast.
time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't.
Number 16, Portland, and this beautiful industrial port.
Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
Number 17, Mount Gambier and its blue water volcano. Number 18, Port Lincoln and its beautiful coastline.
I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name.
Number 19, Ceduna, beautiful coastal town with a magnificent sunrise.
Dear city life, say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name. And now it's time for us to escape.
Number 20, the head of the Bight Whale Watching Centre.
Into the great unknown, escape to a world we don't know, escape into the great unknown, escape, let's escape.
Number 21, the Great Australian Bight, just one of the viewing platforms along the Nullarbor. Number 22, Bunda Cliffs, that's free camp and lookout. Number 23, the Nullarbor Plains and its world famous 90-mile straight road. Number 24, Frazer Range Station with its beautiful farm stay.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight.
Number 25, Esperance and its beautiful beaches and aqua water.
Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open.
Number 26, Elephant Rock with its beautiful rock structures, green pool and crystal clear water.
To a world we don't know, escape into the great unknown, escape to a world we don't.
Number 27, the Valley of the Giants and its treetop walk. Number 28, Augusta and its beautiful, beautiful wharf and jetty walks. Number 29, Margaret River and its rugged coastline and its beautiful, beautiful wine tours. And last but not least, number 30, Fremantle, Australia's home of the America's Cup at one stage.
These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for.
There is so much more to see on one of our tours. This was just a little snippet. Thanks for watching.
Dear city